Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an AI tool that is changing the game for animated storytelling. Imagine typing a single sentence and getting a full animated video. No technical skills needed, no fancy software, just pure creativity. This tool is so user-friendly that anyone, even if you have never edited a video before, can create something professional in minutes. But before we get into the how, let me show you the results I got. The visuals were beautiful, the animation was smooth, and the story felt alive. Now, let me show you how to create the story step by step. To start, head over to OpenArt. From the dashboard, select Character Vlog. You can pick an existing character or upload your own. I went with a custom character I created earlier using ChatGPT. I named her Mira, uploaded the image and clicked Create Character. Next, it asks for your topic. I typed this sentence. Mira chases a glowing butterfly into a forest where each step lights up the ground beneath her feet. That's all the input it needed. I left the aspect ratio at 16:9 for a cinematic feel. I kept the background music on auto select. And although there are advanced settings where you can choose specific models or styles, I decided to stick with the default. Then I clicked Create Story. The whole process took about 5 minutes. Let's play the video. As you can see, Mira stays consistent in every shot. The story is coherent and the environment matches the creative style all the way through. If you want to change anything, click Edit the Story. You can work in two ways. The timeline view works like a traditional video editor, letting you trim clips, adjust playback speed, change music, or add a voiceover. The Storyboard view focuses on content creation, allowing you to rewrite or add scenes and instantly regenerate them to match your vision. For example, I wanted to add a new ending where the trees bend toward Mira, as if whispering secrets. I typed in and it generated the scene beautifully, blending easily into the rest of the story. Once your video is exactly how you want it, you can download it in high quality, ready to share anywhere. Honestly, the story feature in OpenArt is one of the easiest and most powerful ways I've ever seen to bring ideas to life. I highly recommend trying it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.